we have some Amazon must-haves for our 2022 JL Diesel Wrangler. So let's see what we got in here. So if you guys are looking to get a little bit more storage or have a little bit more pocket space on different, for different items, we have this really cool little pocket here. It goes right on the center console. It has the holes, so it just literally clips right in. It doesn't move around at all. It's pretty secure. It goes in. You put phone, keys, whatever you like. It's pretty handy. Let's see what else we got. This thing is really cool. I like this a lot just because the fact that it literally slips right down here by the shifter, and it has the pockets that are pretty nice, that are pretty big, and again, you can put your phone or some keys just to leave it there, and you don't have to worry about anything. It's right at hand's reach. That's pretty awesome also. And then we have this little pocket as well, which is nice because it literally just goes right here in the grab bar. It snaps in. It's really secure. You don't have to worry about it falling out or bumping out on some bumps. The passengers, fellows with your girls, they can put their phone, lip gloss, keys even if they have a set of keys on them, or just anything just nice for your passengers on this side. But if you guys are looking for some extra storage or anything, Amazon must-haves, these three are very handy and they're amazing. And you guys stay tuned for some more of our Jeep build, and subscribe and like below. Have a great day, guys.